Ready for imminent failure?
Alright, whenever you're ready.
Yo, Andreas.
So this is
What combination? What rubber band combination gave you the best score? Ready? Heads up, that one fell out last time.
I was like, should I be standing this close?
Ready? Set. No, we didn't have it at the start. Alright, now we're ready? Yep.
Yeah. That's the matter.
So anticlimactic. Hold it down, Kyle.
Drive chain. So that was 72? 72 PSI!
Yay!
I know.
What came undone?
The motor thing detached. It was equal to clamp down. Oh, motor, no. You should have a clamp somewhere that you can actually clamp this one. You should be able to get it. Like hold that for you. It's pretty quick.
So that was the motor.
Like, I really need it.
Ooh. Well, he has the lab reports, but I have to give him all like the.
Mike, 20 PSI.
Still getting in there.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. Oh, you want to
Right.
Stop wash version still? For the balloons. Yeah. We'll actually need two stop wash people because we're going to time both balloons. So Mike,
When I connected to that.
Teammates.
That's solid now. I'm still gonna be behind it. Yeah, I'm just worried about our angle.
another test run on that? Yep. So do you guys want to do another run at this speed and then maybe the last run at the
Sorry.
torque speed?
Yep. Got it?
I think it's gonna explode.
Ready?
Oh wait.
Set. Trial 2. Go. Trial 2. Go. Hold it down.
Hold the motor. Tell me when you want to hold your motor.
Go for it. Hold it. Roll, baby, roll.
Hey, we went over 80 that time.
What is the matter with that thing?
No, I know.
That was awesome.
Okay, clearly we have a problem.
I was like, yo, I'll be you.
Fucking flywheel, dude. That flywheel.
It picks up the speed and it goes.
Yeah, it just goes. It just goes.
Freaking right side.
Mike, you ready yet?
Alright, so here's
Here is 20 PSI. Yeah, I'm taking a video out of the way.
I actually have it.
Yeah, I'll put it on mine.
Ours is like that, only the whole supports also came with the staff.
Yeah.
Is the engine not working?
No, we went no, we just actually took what that's ours over there. We held it down with the sides and buckets.
Tell me when you want me to load it up.
Up, 20 PSI.
Can't get the high.
Yeah! Woo! Yeah!
That's rolling.